Hi everyone. So this is the third and last example that I will show you on how to use Csound, MetaCsound. So in this case, I will just show you the MetaSound graph because this graph is called test and it's just for testing purposes that I will play here. So it's not meant to be anything special or anything related to the game itself. It's just for testing purposes. So we will see first the Csound file, which is called test. So in the Csound folder, in the Csound files folder, you can check this one. So it's an easy one as well. It's not very complicated. We will be working with two channels from both input and output, and we will work as well with control buses. So first of all, we will get the audio inputs, and yeah, we will oscillate. We will get some oscillator with that they have some phase, as you can see. So they will both oscillators will go from 0 to 1, but the second one will have half the phase, and this will be used to multiply the amplitude, as we will see. And then the channels, we will use chain get to get the channel, the control bus 0 and 1 that will be related to amplitude as well. And we will as well set the output channels with the same value. Very simple. We are not doing anything to this value whatsoever. It's just for testing purposes. I have, and as I have explained already. So then on the output, we will output just the exact same input as audio input as we got, but we will multiply the amplitude both with the oscillator and with the amplitude used by the signaled by the control bus, and the same goes for both outputs. But you can see that because we use the second one here, the second oscillator one, that there will be some phase going on. So if I play, you will understand very easily. You can see there's some phase on the oscillator. So I'm feeding the 0 audio input with pink noise, and I'm feeding the second one, the in audio input one, with a sawtooth wave. And then when I press start, it will start playing, but we will change that. And now, in order to the Csound node to start making sounds, it will have to wait for the play trigger. Sorry. So as you can see here, I have the play trigger and the stop trigger that will do what the name suggests. And then when the Csound node finishes, it will trigger the unfinished output that will trigger the wave player that will make a simple noise, that camera shutter noise, and everything will be mixed together. So here, as you can see, we have two controls as well that will control the amplitude, as we have explained earlier. So let's start again, let's play again and see what it does. So now, even though these two modules, these two nodes are generating sound, because the Csound node has not started yet, nothing is being generated here. So when I press play, now it has started. And now if we control this, now I only hear the saw. And the same goes for this. and when I press stop, we will hear this sound. If I press play again, it will start again. And if I press play again, it will restart. And if I press stop now, it will do the same as before. Okay, so lastly, instead of, we will do this. So now the right output, instead of being controlled by Csound directly, it will be the original saw node that will be feeding the output, but the amplitude scaling will be controlled by the Csound control output. So this should basically do the same exactly. Like you shouldn't hear any difference, but it's just a way to test that the out control is working. Sorry, yeah, there was a difference because, of course, Csound was oscillating as well the amplitude with the LFOs. So yeah, but yeah, that's the end of the example. Hopefully, you'll have found the 3 examples very useful, and hopefully you will get excited to use this plugin. Thank you for watching.